guys, what is up? Welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing a what's in my truck video. So we have a crazy carpet, my winter jacket, we have an oil filter that the parts guy, it was wrong, he sold me the wrong one, so we have that. We are always prepared for shenanigans, so we have lots of gloves. Lip chap. We have a rag. We have another rag. We have one of these things when it gets frosty out, so I don't have to scrape off my windshield.
We have to blur that out because they're not paying us. No free advertising. I'm just kidding.
We have GoPro stuff. Have I rubber chicken?
Oh, it's gone.
So Lily and I are opposite people. She keeps stuff in her car for adventures. I keep stuff in my truck to pull you out of the ditch. Come look in our tote of stuff. I keep all my spare parts in here. We have filters, we have funnels, we have ratchet straps, we have extra windshield wiper thingies. This is the wrong filter as well. Toe strap to pull your ass out of the ditch. And shackles and stuff. Because you need these. We also have box of goodies. Because it's Canada, obviously.
What are those?
Jumper cables. I just did an oil change, so we have coolant and oil.
Can't relate.
Always need wipes. In the winter, these double as a weapon because it freezes and you can hit someone over the head or throw them at your windshield. Whatever works for you. We also have a bag of makeup.
Because sometimes she's a girl.
More gloves. Gloves for picking dead animals up off the highway. And 4 days ago, it was minus 25, but now it's plus 4. So I actually have a bag of freezies. And there's a sub in the back, but let me show you what's up front. We have all our necessities. Water, because I'm a thirsty bitch. My purse. Always prepared, Uno cards. Your tire inflator checker.
Survivalist.
This is a good book. And I've never had to use it, but you know what they say, when you don't have it, you need it. And then when you have it, you don't need it. So we have a code reader.
The build up so strong.
Skittles. Needle nose. A screwdriver, because you never know.
Look at how close this is to my feet.
And lottery tickets, because millions to receive, baby.
Abundance.
And gum, because my breath stinks. And that concludes our video for the day. We also have our GoPro stuff here, but I'm not going to throw that on the ground because it's expensive. All our social media are just Stalls Out. You can find us on TikTok. And Instagram is Stalls Out. So, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.